Now walk this way. Just walk this way. We're going to go up the hill. It's going to follow you, and I'm going to follow you. Keep going. Don't look at it. Look where you're going. See you in a little bit. Okay, Cesar is our guide. I've done videos of us walking up this hill before. I was hoping it would be a little higher. I'll do a separate one. I'll fly one down later, but Cesar wanted to get some time in on the drone, but instead of letting him drive it right now, I'm making him work for it. So the drone is following us up the hill here from the 5. And I'm following the drone. It's just following Cesar, Gael, Peña, Morales. Yeah, you can run, but I don't know how fast. Go. Run a little. 9 o'clock in the morning, 9:30 maybe. It's going to be another hot. Cesar, go this way. Hey, this way. Yeah. Okay, now straight. Okay, this way now. Yeah, perfect. No, we're going up. Gotta watch for the overhead things. Okay, watch the truck in front of you, but wait. Okay, go. Keep going. Faster. Go faster. Pretty good videos. Been doing 4K videos of the beach and stuff like that. And like I said, I wanted it a little bit higher, but this will do. Okay, bro, this way. Perfect. Hi. What's the matter? ¿Qué está haciendo? Go, faster. This way. Hopefully the battery doesn't die. Okay, so you gotta watch when you're going under trees because it's gonna... Yeah, decent. Perfect. Good job. Watch for cars. No, yeah, it should be okay. Uh-oh. Whoa. It lost you. It couldn't find you, so it got freaked out. I walked in front of the shot, and it freaked out the drone. What does it look like? Super speed. Yeah, okay. Yeah? Blue's Clues. Okay. What?
Take the bottles.
Here, stop. Come to me. Come here. Take this and walk with that. Go walk with it. No talking to the phone when you're talking to me. Hey, here, we're up at Caribe Campo. It's Saturday morning. Talking to the phone. This way. Not talking.
Okay.
This way.
Monday day. Too quiet.
This way. Go. Up. Go.
Up.
All the way to the top.
All the way to the top.
Yeah.
Okay. Here?
You know where we are?
Where?
This way.
This one? Whoa, 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 whoa. That was a close one. Jim. Jim, you know what it sounds like? It sounds like a mosquito.
Okay, come this way on the sidewalk.
Here?
Yeah, you gotta go away from the tree. See the tree hanging down?
Yeah. Oh no. Where are we going?
Stop here.
Here?
Yeah.
Ooh,
Come here.
my favorite. Yeah. Why is it today's a quiet day?
Today's Saturday.
You know what it sounds like?
What?
The drone and mosquito.
Mosquito, yeah, it's kind of like that. Want to take a walk down to the pool?
Should we?
Yeah.
It's too hot.
Pretty warm.
But
We
don't,
just got to be careful while we're inside that if we can hit anything.
because how about we go around the pool?
Yeah, we can do that.
Whoa, Jim. Jim,
Huh? Yeah. Go. This way. Cesar, this way.
where? Down?
Here.
Here?
Yeah. All the way down to the pool.
Whoa.
Uh-oh. Hang on. Hang on.